If you like birds and you like to see them up close, you will be amazed by this bird feeder that was given to me by BIRDFLY. It is such a delight to see the birds visiting our backyard. I'm super happy with this bird feeder. So this is the camera. You just put it here. And then this is the screw that anchors the camera onto the bird feeder. So it's like really easy to do. So you have the option to attach this into a tree like this, or like onto a pole or onto a wall. So there are brackets provided. This is actually super amazing. This was given to me by BIRDFLY, and it has a camera, so you will know exactly when a bird is here. It is connected to an app. The app will also identify the species of bird, and this is solar powered. So this is the solar panel for the camera. So you can see, you know exactly when there is a bird feeding on your BIRDFLY. Just like watching your backyard birds up close. It has AI bird recognition of 6,000 species. The Northern American birds, European birds, Australian birds, and then you can just it will tell you on the app what kind of bird, what species of bird is visiting your feeder. Now you can see them up close. Look at how alert they are. While eating, they're still alert. To make sure that there are no enemies nearby. One is a bully. And this bird is really persistent. Just waiting for the other one to leave and then come back to eat, to continue eating. Now I wonder if they have a queue, and this one is just taking too long to eat. Isn't it amazing to see them up close, to see their behavior and how they interact? It's from BIRDFLY. The link is down below if you are interested. And also, once you get the BIRDFLY bird feeder, you will have access to a community of bird enthusiasts. So you'll see the birds that are visiting their feeder. Most of them are kind of unique, while the ones that are visiting us are more of the common ones. Maybe because the feeds that I got, they're for the finches. I'm not sure. I really like this bird feeder.